Okay, hello everyone. So today we come to the Seaborn in Python, right? So I have a two raw data, but firstly I would like to focus one data to iris, right? Iris, you see, we have a raw data with a column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 column here, and 150 rows. And I have a one sample to the iris. You can see now. Mhm. For the chart plot in a Seaborn, we have a scatter plot and a distribution histogram right here, and then we have another with a violin plot. Here this is space plot in a Seaborn uh, with some seconds. Yeah, you can see too small. They have raw. So on the histogram and scatter relationship between x and y is on data. Okay, and we come to the trial sum data in data list here. You can see data list we have a supply column by class, first class, second class, and sexual, male or female, age, and another. And now I try some in a Seaborn. Okay, let's try for the box plot with this data in Python. Class first, second, third, and this is male, female, and mean, median, Q1, Q3, and median also. Violin in Python is so very important. Okay, this this is lesson male, female, and you can see the span in a male or female in the first class and second class and comparison. Another way, how about the strip plot in Python Seaborn? And finally, I would like to show here you can see this overall in true data iris and data raw data, and this compare on the graph 0 0 0 1 0 2 3. This is coordination conclusions in the table here, right? Okay, thank you. much in a Seaborn in Python.